thank you for bringing us all here, Lord. And just help us have a safe day and help us get this roof done so we can hopefully fix all the leaks in this roof and so she can have a better life. And thank you for letting us meet her. She's very amazing. Along with Tim, he's very amazing too. He's just inspired us all very much. We just love them both. So thank you for bringing us here and help us have a safe day and get this done. Amen.
Amen.
No, you're great.
Well, that was the minister's idea.
No. A new invention. Look at him.
How's the look for out there?
Oh, pick that up.
Looking good.
Some wood showing down there. Just on the bottom there.
Where at? Here?
Go to your left.
There?
That's what I thought.
Who let the dogs out?
Roof!
It was probably about almost a year ago. Not quite a year. Not quite a year, but almost a year ago. There were 4-leaf clovers. Fill of them.
Just maybe.
They never die. They're like God. God never changes. My mama told me that story. That was 3 years ago.
That is awesome.
You just could feel it.
So it just stays there, it's just preserved.
Yeah.
Huh. Really cool.
That is really cool.
Wow.
Leaves. It's so green.
That was a year ago. Now he looked exactly that way when I got it. And you just can try it.
All those 4-leaf clovers.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Neat.
See, I flip the Bible like this, and I just find a spot, but I don't look, and I stick it down in and close it together for a week. When I open that Bible back up, it'll still be the same. It never changes. Like God, never changes.